Then what are all the evidence? Now we have to search for evidence. We have to fix the date of Kaliyuga, no? So for that we need evidence. Without evidence, we cannot fix. So already I explained all the literary evidence and traditional evidence, Sankalpa Mantra. But we need epigraphic evidence. Why epigraphic evidence? Because epigraphic, that inscriptions, either it is on stone or copper plate, it's an important thing. Suppose if a stone inscription is inscribed on the wall of a temple, nothing false can be inscribed because people are watching. Every day they can go to the temple and they can read the inscription. It is obvious, it is distinct, it is explicit, it is conspicuous, it is visible, it is open. So nobody can write or inscribe a wrong date on that. Definitely, they can write only the truth. So nothing can be wrong in that date because people are watching. Every day they are going to the temple. It is an open public place. It is there. Anybody from the town or the city or village can go, or any pilgrimage can visit and identify whether it is true or not. So, and further, in those days, our kings don't write lies. They will definitely follow the dharma, and even then, the people are watching. So nothing can be written wrongly. That is one thing. And nobody can alter it in the future. Because if they alter, it will be obviously visible on the stone. So that cannot be. Because people are also, after 100 years also, they are watching. Nobody can alter. And we need not have any scientific analysis or experiments or technological skills or using equipments to know the date. It is obvious that date is mentioned. Even a person with basic knowledge in the language in which that inscription is inscribed can identify, can read the inscription. So no need. It is conspicuous, distinct and explicit, visible, and it is open. No need for any other experiment or analysis, nothing. It is a clear cut. So in that way also it is very much easy. So in that way, nobody can write wrong things because the public is watching, and it is very simple and distinct. So anybody can identify. So and it is written on the stone, so it lasts for more years. If it is written on paper or palm leaf, it will last. So it is on stone. So that is an important thing of inscriptional evidence. So I thought we should find out the inscriptional evidence for Kaliyuga. Yep, though we are having literary evidence and traditional evidence, I specially concentrated on inscriptional evidence because of these facts. But what the scholars are thinking, they think, the epigraphists or archaeologists or historians, there are only 5 to 6 or at the maximum less than 10 inscriptions that were dated in Kaliyuga. That is, they are saying that is not sufficient. At least we need 50 or 100, minimum of 50 inscriptions, so that we can say definitely that Kaliyuga began in this year. So at least 50 to 100 inscriptions should be there to prove when Kaliyuga began. So that is the thing. And further, these scholars are strongly believe that there is no uniformity in time calculation in our nation. That is no uniform single era that is followed throughout our nation, from Kanyakumari to Kashmir, Gujarat to Assam, nothing. Each region followed their own era. For example, Sriharsha era, Malava Ganasaka, Saka era, Vikrama Samvat, Salivagana Saga, Gupta era, Ganga era, Chalukya Vikram era, Kollam era, and Kochi date. Like that, many dates are there. Era are there. No uniform era throughout our nation. So this is their opinion. So I want to find out the truth. What is exact?